Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Gmail on offline. So log in your Gmail and here click on this gear icon. Here click on see all settings. Now here click on this offline tab. Enable offline. Check this box. Enable offline mail. Create a bookmark for offline access. A bookmark is the best way to reach Gmail when offline. To create a bookmark, go to your inbox and press Ctrl D. So now click on this inbox, press Ctrl D. And click on Done. So you can access easily. For options, you can use storage ATMB of 271 GB available for offline mail on your computer. It can be different in your case. Sync settings you can change for 730 or 90 days. And also here is the option to download attachment or without downloading attachment. So you want to use downloaded attachment, so check this box. And after logging out of my Google account, so here is the two security option. Keep offline data on my computer. So data stored on your device will not be deleted when sign out of your Google account. And when changing your password, to delete account data from your device, disable offline mail and save changes. And another option, remove offline data from my computer. Data will need to be synced to your computer when logging back into Gmail. It may take a few hours to resync the mailbox. Gmail may become less responsive while syncing. So you can use these options as your requirement. And after all, click on Save Changes. And make sure offline not recommended for shared devices. Emails will remain on this device until offline mail is disabled. So just click on Got it. So this way guys, you can use Gmail for offline. Thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.